Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Daytime mode.
All right, today we're going to bring a 2K camera. This is a two-way audio camera. You get a solar panel with it. Now the solar panel mounts on top of the actual unit itself, all right? Now the unit itself is easy to mount. You got to make sure you mount this first. It comes with little accessories, and they even give you actual template sticker so you can set this up. Instructions included here on how to download the app and install it. You get all the screws that are necessary, including the solar panel that goes on above it. Now let's talk a little bit more about the camera itself, all right? The camera itself has options that you need to be aware. The options are right in the top. You got your SD card reader, which is a micro SD card goes in here, and then you got your reset button in here, right? There is a power on and off on the back of it. I'm gonna take you here in the back. The power button's right here, if you guys can see it, off and on. Type C and a silicone cover, because when you set this up after you turn it on, you have to plug it in. When you tried it in the day and the night, and of course you have floodlights too included with it, 2 antennas. Now the antennas are not 5 hertz, all right? Make sure that you're aware that you set this up on a 2.4, and it should be easy to set it up. So today we're just gonna set this up and test it out the day and the night. All right, we're going to take a look at the application. I have multiple cameras myself right now as it is. I just logged in and I'm going to show you the actual camera front. And this is a night shot that we're going to get. We're going to record it too so you guys can see it too. Now, this is a live shot of what you're looking at right now. And of course, I'm going to blank out some of the stuff, but you got a couple options here. You have your alerts, your replay, your console, your position, your lights. Lights, look at this. You could turn on the light right now. It's off right now. We're going to turn it on remotely. We're going to turn it off. And then we're going to go back to the beginning. And then here you got sirens. You got talk mode. That means two-way talking. So if they're delivering stuff, you can actually tell the guy to, you know, drop it off or so forth. Now, you could twist this sideways and it'll expand the entire camera itself. My features that I like is like recording. So when I could record right now, I could remote into it and actually move the camera live. If you guys can see that, it's actually, this is a live shot and I'm moving around the entire camera. And you can see the actual fixture all around. So this is one of the best things I like about it. And of course, I'm capturing this and I could go back in here and I have X, 2X and 4X. So I could zoom in some more. So look at that. And I could zoom in back. So you have great options in here just by itself. There's a lot more features. You could set up the AI to automatically track, but when you use this feature, you might end up using more of the actual power during the night. Just remember that it needs a day to charge itself, and at night is when it actually uses this stuff. So you could set up AI system to identify animals and human beings, any territories. Or you could change the sensitivity too. So this is out of the box. Is one of the best things I like. And it has a little star, if you guys can see. Those are favorite spots. So if you have the favorite spot, you can set up 1 or 2, 3 different areas. You hit the favorite spots and the camera will automatically rotate. Now for the AI tracking, it's going to identify the person. It's going to track it wherever he or she walks to. And then after that person leaves the actual yard, the camera will go back to a default setting. So this is a great thing to have in your home. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.